surrounding yourself with the right education material is also a plus. You need to know what you're doing wrong, how it's supposed to look. When you in here, you can see these real good. The camera is kind of blurry, but when you in here doing welding the position, you can look at this and you can see what you're doing when you're doing your MIGing, when you're doing your sticking. It's showing you how the weld's supposed to be, and if you're doing anything wrong, what type of angle. So that way you are constantly around the information in the booth while you're welding, and I'm gonna be behind you, helping guide you, making sure that you know, making the right decisions. So make sure you got your proper PPE. We can jump into welding. We can learn how to weld in these 4 positions. That's what I teach. TIG, MIG, and stick. So you can figure out your career path. Hold on.